In 1979, NASA's Voyager spacecraft made history as they approached Jupiter. What you are about to see are the actual images captured during those flybys, the very first close-up views of the giant planet, its swirling storms, and its mysterious moons. These photos changed our understanding of the outer solar system forever. This Voyager 2 image of Europa, taken on July 9, 1979, shows its icy surface with few craters. The dark streaks suggest fractures in a thick ice crust, possibly covering a warmer interior. Scientists believe an ocean may lie hidden beneath this frozen shell. Voyager 1 revealed Callisto as a heavily cratered and inactive world. This image shows Valhalla, a giant impact feature with bright concentric rings stretching 1,500 kilometers across. It is one of the largest impact scars in the entire solar system. What you're seeing is a breathtaking crescent view of Jupiter, captured by Voyager 1 on March 24, 1979. Using 3 different filters, NASA scientists recombined the images to reveal this stunning color portrait, one of the first of its kind from deep space. This striking view of Jupiter was taken by Voyager 1 as it sailed past the giant planet in 1979. The image, built from multiple filtered photographs, shows the planet's swirling clouds in vivid detail, bringing the gas giant to life like never before. This Voyager 2 image shows Jupiter's great red spot and nearby white ovals. The cloud patterns had changed since Voyager 1's flyby just months earlier. These shifts highlight how dynamic and turbulent Jupiter's atmosphere really is. Voyager 1 captured this image of Ganymede on March 5, 1979, showing bright craters with ray patterns, and older eroded ones. Grooves and ridges hint at surface faulting. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury. This Voyager 1 image shows a massive multi-ring impact basin on Callisto, with concentric ridges spreading hundreds of kilometers across, like ripples from a stone in water. These rings are evidence of Callisto's weak interior structure. Voyager 1's mosaic of Io reveals colorful deposits of sulfur and sulfur dioxide. The giant volcanoes Pele and Loki stand out on its dramatic surface. Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. This famous blue movie sequence from Voyager 1 shows Jupiter's clouds and storms over 60 days, revealing powerful winds and swirling motion in its atmosphere. The footage was a groundbreaking look at the giant planet's weather system. Voyager 2 captured Jupiter's faint rings in this composite image, seen as 2 thin orange bands near the planet's edge. These rings are made mostly of dust particles, far less dramatic than Saturn's but still a surprising discovery. On February 13, 1979, Voyager 1 captured this incredible photo of Jupiter alongside 2 of its most famous moons. On the left, fiery Io hovers about 350,000 kilometers above the planet's great red spot, while the icy world of Europa drifts even farther out, 600,000 kilometers above Jupiter's clouds. A single snapshot showing 3 worlds in one frame. This Voyager 1 image of Io shows the active volcanic plume of Loki. Nearby deposits mark the fallout from the giant Pele eruption. These eruptions prove that Io's surface is constantly reshaped by volcanic activity. You've just seen Jupiter through the eyes of Voyager, a glimpse into the power and beauty of our solar system's largest planet. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe for more space exploration videos. Up next, Saturn, with its breathtaking rings and stunning moons. Don't miss it.